This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
Hearsay na may overhaul sa City Hall kung wala kayong ginawang masama at saka wala kayong ginagawang masama. Wala ka dapat ikatakot. Sa officially it is June 25 pa. So yun ang official na transition period. So pero initially I already started listing down all the plans na I promised to my constituents. So lahat ng platform. So far so good po. I started already talking and negotiating to different offices of the national government sa lahat ng platforms ko with the help of Kong Sandro. So far so good po.
Sir, nakapag-usap ako yung Mayor Rajon?
Hindi pa po. I was planning to visit him 2 weeks ago but schedule namin is medyo hindi magtugma. So ayoko naman na text lang kami mag-usap. So gusto ko personal. When the time comes up.
Surprise natin, sir. Surprise po natin, sir.
Hindi naman surprise. Siyempre busy siya, busy ako. So kailangan natin schedule. Wala kayong dapat ikatakot with yung mga hearsay na may overhaul sa City Hall kung wala kayong ginawang masama at saka wala kayong ginagawang masama. Wala ka dapat ikatakot. Magtrabaho tayong lahat. We promise, we committed to perform for the next 3 years. So lahat dapat mag-perform.
May mga matatanggal,
too early to say, Apo. Too early to say. Too early to say. I lead by example, Apo. I just don't lead by words or pa-epal or pa-picture. You will see the results, Apo. It's a whole new different leadership. Tekonak Idikwan, leadership is not just a title but it's a responsibility, Apo.
Sir, any message sa mga Tagalawag, especially sa mga empleyado ng City Hall?
Bakit specific sa empleyado ng City Hall lang po? Well, anyway, wala kayong dapat ikatakot with yung mga hearsay na may overhaul sa City Hall kung wala kayong ginawang masama at saka wala kayong ginagawang masama. Wala ka dapat ikatakot. Ganun lang naman eh. So alam naman natin, ako naging empleyado naman ako for the past 17 years, 17 to 20 years. Wala naman ako ginakatakot kung sinong boss ko kung wala akong ginagawang masama. Ganun lang naman eh.